You know, it's interesting how Trump is really playing towards the Democratic base with the threatening tariffs on China. He's pandering to the unions, pandering to blue-collar workers in the Midwest.
So many of them have been switching to the Republican side in recent years.
Yeah, I mean, it's very funny. No one will admit they're voting for Trump, yet he still won the election. And we're seeing that again now. People, with unemployment so low, wages increasing, home ownership increasing, all the metrics show to a healthier economy back in the States.
Absolutely. And it's interesting because when you're sitting this far out, halfway around the world, the noise coming out of Washington and outside, outside of the Beltway is such that most people think that nothing is happening in the United States, that we're on hold somehow, given all of the political noise from Washington. But that just isn't the case.
Well, you're on hold in some aspects that very few bills are getting passed. And people joke that if nothing happens, the economy soars. It happened under Clinton. It's happening now. No major changes are going on. The stock market's hitting new highs and unemployment new lows.
Well, and as a financier, I mean, what looks interesting to you right now?
Well, we're living in a low interest rate environment. I mean, that is just driving growth. It's driving capital. Banks are lending. And that continues to drive growth.
And interesting enough, you've done so much in the media space. I mean, you've been a Tony Award-winning producer as well. Walk me through the media space today in the United States.
People are looking to be entertained. And whether it's on Broadway, whether it's in movies, or even going to restaurants to become entertainment now, people want, they have disposable income, and they're looking for experiences. It's not so much about buying durable goods as it is having experiences in life.
And certainly an investment opportunity there. But out here in Abu Dhabi, you've just been attending 2 days of a space, not exploration, but also investment forum. Walk me through the opportunities there, because I'm getting very, very interesting. And just how much would you pay to be on the moon?
It's interesting. Space has changed dramatically. I mean, we started a company called Terran Orbital 7 years ago, and today we're the largest manufacturer of nanosatellites in the world. And we're starting another company now called Predastar, where we're going to build a constellation of satellites. And it's gotten so inexpensive that you can do so many things that you couldn't do as cost prohibitive before in space, for imaging, for communications. I mean, look at OneWeb, look at Planet Labs. I mean, people are just doing things you just couldn't do before.
And the governments are outsourcing to the private sector here.
Well, they can do it more cost effectively.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.